know where to start. I just put everything on the Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm going Bangladesh soon, inshallah. And one of the most difficult things that I find when packing for Bangladesh is my makeup, because I have a lot drawers full of makeup, and usually I take so much makeup. For some of you guys, this will be considered a lot. Traveling with Biman Bangladesh Airline, we always travel with them because we are from Sylhet, so it's much more convenient for us, and it's my first time going with my daughter, so I don't want that struggle. But anyways, I'm going to show you all the stuff that I'm taking, and I usually use this opportunity to also declutter, and also because I have some events planned when I go Bangladesh. So you know those moments you're like, oh, just in case I need this product, just in case I need more makeup. That's what happened. But anyways, this is the amount of makeup I'm taking. So we have 40 kg allowance each, so me, my husband, and my daughter has 10 kgs because she is 1 year old. Because most of the things will be for my daughter, I'm actually having to cargo all my clothes, so I probably have around 5 to 10 kgs from my luggage allowance. So hopefully all of this will fit in. I don't really have that much other stuff. Like I got a few shoes and bags and a little bit of skincare. Usually I take so much skincare because I am a skincare person. It will look like a lot of products, but I'm gonna have to separate it as well afterwards for all the makeup that I'm gonna take on the airline with me. But I really wanted to get this out of the way because this usually gives me a lot of headache, and because I have so much more makeup. Like if I don't have these products and I pack it away, it won't be a problem. Okay, so let's start with foundations. I'm not taking any primer. I'm just taking this, which is the Rimmel Multitasker. I like this as illuminating primer. Foundation is really important to me, so I have a few options. So this is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur. I love this foundation. It's such a good foundation, so it has to come with me. And I have this shade 320 Golden. The next foundation is the Huda Beauty Foundation Stick. I am in love with Huda Beauty products, and this is in the shade Toasted Coconut. I feel like this is such a convenient foundation to have, so I might actually take this on the airplane with me. This is the L'Oreal Tinted Serum. When I want a lighter coverage foundation, then this will be perfect. And when I'm on holiday or when I'm in Bangladesh, I like to have my makeup done like every single day, so I feel like this will be great for when I'm at home or when I'm just going somewhere like shopping or something really nice. And it has a serum, like hyaluronic acid serum, so it actually acts as a skincare as well. And I'm also taking a handful of sample foundations, so just in case I want to try out any of these. For concealers, I have a few options. I love my concealers. Sometimes I just wear concealer alone and I don't have foundation on at all. So I have the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I have a NYX concealer, Can't Stop Bone Stop concealer. This is very full coverage. I really like this concealer. I have two H&B Cosmetics concealer. I use this every single day, so I need this in my makeup bag for Bangladesh. This LA Girl concealer, I used to love this concealer, but I haven't used it, so I feel like I should just take it to Bangladesh with me. And the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This is such a light coverage concealer, so I could match it with the L'Oreal Tinted Serum and it will look really good. And then I have this Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. I wasn't going to take any false lashes because I am on a lash growth journey, but I am taking some false lash glue with me just in case. However, my sister convinced me that I should take some false lashes, which I haven't packed yet because I've got so many false lashes, by the way. I used to be obsessed with false lashes, so I'm going to go through all my collection and pick a few. However, I did pick up this Ardell pressed on lashes, and you don't need any glue for this, so I feel like I will take this on the airplane just in case I want to add a little bit of false lashes to oomphen up my lashes a little bit. But I'm not sure, it depends on my mood, if I'm feeling lazy and if my daughter doesn't drive me crazy on the plane. I do wear makeup to the airport because I like taking pictures and stuff like that, but when I'm on the plane I take it all off. But then when I'm on the plane, I feel like the air of the airplane really sucks out all the moisture from my skin, so I take it all off and do my skincare, and then when I'm landing I will do my makeup again. And I'm also going to have an outfit change because I feel like my daughter's going to ruin the outfit that I'm going to be wearing to the airport, and it's just going to be like a basic coat. And when I land I usually wear like a kameez or something. I am so excited for Bangladesh. Let me know in the comments if any of you guys are also planning to go Bangladesh. I would love to know. And where are you guys from in Bangladesh as well? And since I'm planning not to wear false lashes, I have a few options for mascara. So I'm taking this Maybelline mascara, and to be honest, I don't really care about the mascara. I feel like they all do the same thing. And I'm taking this Huda Beauty One Coat Wow mascara. I don't really like this mascara. I feel like it's not waterproof and it smudges everywhere, but I'm going to take it because it was quite expensive. And this is the Rimmel Thrill Seeker mascara. This is also really nice. So I like to have a few options for mascara. For face powder, it has to be my Huda Beauty Easy Bake. I was trying to find another powder, but I feel like I need this. I will use this powder every single time I do my makeup, and it's like a must in my makeup routine. So I'm taking the color Cherry Blossom Cake, and I already have the same color in a new packaging as well, so I don't really mind if I take this. I'm usually scared to take high-end products with me to Bangladesh because the amount of time things got lost. For highlighter, I'm taking this Sleek highlighter. I love love the colors in this, and it makes my skin look really nice and glowy and doesn't look like it has a lot of glitter. My eyebrows, I'm taking my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I love this, and it's in the shade dark brown. I've had this for so long now and it still has a lot of product left, so I feel like when I go Bangladesh this should be enough. I also have this by Ellie brow gel. I've been using this every single day and I really like the way it keeps my eyebrows in place. So it's basically like a brow glue. I was going to take the ELF brow freeze, but I feel like this does a better job, and because it has a wand already, usually when I need another applicator with my brow gels, I usually always forget to take it with me. And of course, I'm taking my Made by Mitchell curve case. If you follow me on TikTok, you know how much I love this curve case. This is in the medium shade, so I don't really need to take any other blushers and bronzers with me. It has already 4 different blusher shades and bronzer, so I'm saving space, guys, okay? I say that, but I'm taking these ELF cream blushers as well because I find them so cute, so I could take this on the airplane with me. So I have the shade Golden Peach and Pink Lemonade. These are the colors. Look how pretty they are. I don't really have that much powder blushers because I like to use cream products most of the time, but I love this Primark blusher. I use this for most of my videos as well. This is in the shade Posy. It's such a nice cool tone blusher and it reminds me of my Dior blusher as well. And because the Made by Mitchell has a variety of pink and peach blushers, I'm just taking this peach blusher from number 7 as well, and it has a lot of product left, so I feel like it'll be enough for the holiday. I love bronzers because I love that warmth that it gives, so I'm going to take some powder bronzers as well just to set my cream bronzer. This is the Huda bronzer. I feel like this is one of my favourite bronzing products, and I don't feel like I have any other powder bronzers. I was actually planning to buy one, and this is the Revlon Skin Light Powder, and this gives a little bit of a shine, so it acts like a highlighter as well. So I'm not sure which one to take. It'll probably be the Benefit, or might just take both. For pressed powder, I'm taking the H&B Cosmetics pressed powder. This is in the shade light to medium. I like to use a pressed powder before any of my baking or loose powder, so I feel like I should take this and not take my Charlotte Tilbury, because I was contemplating whether I should take the Charlotte Tilbury one or this one, but I feel like this one does a good job as well. I had this in the box as well. This is the ELF Halo Glow Contour, but maybe the Made by Mitchell curve case should be enough and I should just skip taking this with me. This is the Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner in the shade Black Ink. It's so pigmented and it lasts all day. I'm going to pack all my brushes right at the end because it's going to be brushes that I currently use, so I know that they work for me. And then when I come back from Bangladesh, inshallah, I'm going to start opening all my other makeup brushes because I have so many new makeup brushes that I want to try. For setting sprays, I have 2 options. I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. This makes my makeup last so long, but it smells like hairspray, but it's coming with me. I'm taking the Revolution Base Fix setting spray. When I go Bangladesh, I really want my makeup to last long. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Remastered eyeshadow palette. It's quite embarrassing to say, but I think I had this for years now. I've taken it to Bangladesh already, and this is the way it looks. I love this palette, so I feel like this is probably the last time it's going to come with me. I just love this palette and I love all these colors, and this was expensive, so I can't get myself to throw it away. So I'm taking these Revolution eyeshadow palettes. Because I have a lot of expensive eyeshadow palettes like Patrick Ta, Makeup by Mario, I feel like I need to get rid of all my drugstore eyeshadows. Now for lip products, I got a little bit carried away. I was going to take only a few of my MAC lipsticks, and then I ended up having a whole makeup bag full of lip products. So first of all, my lip balms. I have to always have a hydrating lip balm. So this is the Blistex, and I'm taking this as well. This is an Ulta lip balm. Lip liner is very, very important to me, and I love my brown lip liner. So here are some of the options that I have. I have this Boots 17 lip liner. I have this MUA Sincere lip liner. This is such a nice color. And I have this Rimmel Cappuccino. I have around 50 of these as backup. I'm taking some of these TikTok lip liners. These are really, really good for their price, and I feel like I can give these out to people as well. I've got some lip glosses and lip oil. So the ELF lip oil is one of my favorite everyday lip oil. This is in the shade Honey Talks. I have some NYX butter glosses. These are so good. I might need to buy some as backup, so when I come back. This is in the shade Madeline and a Praline. I also have a clear lip gloss in Rimmel, and this Bare Minerals lip gloss is a peach lip gloss in this shade Spark Plug. This soft matte lip cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. A lot of lip products because usually a lot of people ask me for my lipsticks, so here are some backups. So Rimmel lipstick, this is a Bourjois lipstick, and this is the NYX Suede lipstick in the shade Free Spirit. I love brown lip products, so most of these are my favorite shades. And because I want to declutter most of my makeup, so here are some other products I feel like I could use. I have a Colourpop and a number 7, and also a Soap and Glory lip product. And if you watch any of my videos, you will know that I love MAC lipsticks. So these are in the shade Retro, Taupe, Diva, Velvet Teddy, Ruby Roo, Kind of Sexy and Twig. When I go Bangladesh, I do like to wear contact lenses in events or any other parties. So I'm taking this pouch of contact lenses from Fresh Look. These are dailies. There are some grey and there's some also pure hazel. And when traveling, I'm also planning to wear a yearly contact lenses, so I feel like I can use those during my holiday as well. I don't wear false nails anymore, but I'm just taking these if I do feel like it. It's just a French tip manicure from Kiss. And for the airplane, I'm going to take this brush set from Real Technique. It's so cute. It's mini face brushes. Let me show you how cute are these brushes. It's a perfect size. I just need to give them a wash because I used it for one of my videos. Anyways guys, that's my video for all the makeup that I'm taking to Bangladesh. It seems like a lot, but because I do create content for TikTok and also YouTube makeup content, I feel like for me it's not enough personally. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video. What sort of content would you like me to make when I'm in Bangladesh? Would you like daily vlogs, weekly vlogs, makeup tutorials? I'm not really planning to do makeup tutorials. It will be probably on my TikTok more than my YouTube because I do love making vlogs for Bangladesh. So hopefully, inshallah, that is what I'll be doing. So if you do like vlogs, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. Subscribe is really important so you do get notified. For now, assalamu alaikum, bye bye guys. I'll see you in my next video, inshallah.